BMI, or body mass index. Doctors use it, especially with kids growing up. They put them into percentiles. Doctors use it with adults to talk about health and, cardiac issues or diabetes or anything like that. But it's not very accurate. It's based on height and weight. So, like how tall you are and how much you weigh gives you a percentage, and there's a graph, and you're either healthy, obese, morbidly obese, at risk, all that fun stuff. I believe if you have a BMI over 30, you're considered obese. But the fun part is I'm about 5'9"-ish, depending if I squatted today, because then I'm like 5'8". 233 pounds. I would have a BMI. I think it registered at like 32%. So I'm considered obese. And I am far from it. Basically, it doesn't take into consideration actual body fat percentage. It just ignores body composition, period. It doesn't distinguish between bone, muscle, fat, organs, water, all of those things. It's really old and antiquated and outdated. And to be honest, it's a little bit racist too. Because the original BMI formula and how they came up with the graph and the chart and everything was based on European male data. Yeah, European males. So if you're any other ethnicity or gender, it doesn't really pertain to you. So anybody who uses BMI as an indicator of health, yeah, no go, walk away, don't even speak to them ever again. little extreme. But can it be useful? Yes, it can. BMI can be useful as a measurement tool. When I say measurement tool, it's like a start and an end. Basically, here's where we are, when we first start. We're not saying this is an indicator of your health, or we're not saying that you're going to have a heart attack or, diabetes or anything because of this. We're going to use it as a start point. It says if you're going to the gym and your goal is to lose weight, lose body fat, or anything like that, you could use BMI as an additional measuring tool. So, okay, you have a body fat percentage of 35. Okay? 6 months down the line, we look at you again. Now your BMI is what? 28, 29%? You have done something positive. We don't know exactly, how your body composition is at that point, but that's other things to look into. But adding that as a motivational tool can be a good thing. But that's pretty much where it stops. I bring this up now because I was at a gym, a very, very popular gym, very well-known gym, very big gym, and they were advertising, come get your BMI checked. And I cringed when I saw this. So that is why I'm speaking about this today. It is not used as an accurate measurement tool. It should not be used as a measurement of your health. It can be used as a reference point, a motivational tool to show you a start and an end, or a start and a progress is more appropriate. But it should not be used as a pure indicator of health.